Hello everyone, my name is Rafli Ahmad Nur Salim. I'm currently a student at Trisakti Institute Transportation and Logistics. In this video, I'm going to talk about Incoterms 2020, the global language of trade. These rules define how international trade works fairly and efficiently between buyers and sellers across the world. What are Incoterms? Incoterms, short for International Commercial Terms, are 11 global trade terms created by the International Chamber of Commerce. They explain who, between the seller and the buyer, is responsible for transport, insurance, customs, and risk. In simple terms, Incoterms define who does what, who pays what, and when the risk transfer. Why Incoterms matter in trade? Incoterms make international trade clear and predictable. Without them, contract can cause confusion or costly disputes. They ensure both parties understand their duties, improving trust, efficiency, and coordination. As explained by Krugman and Melitz, 2018, international trade only works smoothly when rules and responsibilities are clearly defined. The 11 Incoterms 2020. There are 11 Incoterms in total. For any mode of transport, we have EXW, FCA, CPT, CIP, DAP, DPU, and DDP. For sea and inland waterway transport, there are FAS, FOB, CFR, and CIF. Each rules determines where the risks shift from seller to buyer. Key concept: delivery, risk, and cost. Three key elements define every Incoterm: delivery, risk, and cost. Delivery shows when the seller's job is done. Risk means who is responsible if something happens to the goods. Cost determines who pays for shipping, insurance, and customs. Understanding these points ensure both sides know their exact obligation in a deal. Example: FCA versus CIP, modern trade example. Let's look at two commonly used Incoterms in today's logistics and e-commerce, FCA and CIP. In FCA, or free carrier, the sellers delivers goods to carrier chosen by the buyers. Once the goods are handed over, the risk transferred to the buyers. Meanwhile, in CIP, or carriage and insurance paid to, the seller arranges both transport and insurance until the goods reach the destination. This makes CIP more convenient for buyers, while FCA gives buyers more control on their own logistics. As noted by Papa and Elliott, 2009, understanding these terms helps intermediaries and exporters manage their costs and protect their contracts. Real-world importance. In real trade operations, Incoterms connect not only buyers and sellers, but also banks, insurers, and freight companies. They are vital in letter of credit transactions under the UCP 6000 rules, ensuring that payment and delivery match contract terms. By using Incoterms correctly, companies reduce risk and build trust in cross-border trade. Conclusion. To conclude, Incoterms 2020 are more than just abbreviations. They are the foundation of global trade communication. They define who handles the good, who takes the risk, and who pays the cost. In a global economy that relies on speed and transparency, Incoterms keep trade fair and organized, because in the end, clear rules mean smooth trade. Okay? That's all for today's video. Thank you for listening.